Before BizLibrary, our training was a lot of hands-on and a lot of paperwork. And so we sometimes had to shuffle that paperwork a lot, or how you got trained depended on who was running the machine that day and who was training you. We were really attracted to a platform that could offer us training to such a large, diverse group of people, but also have the documentation right at our fingertips. Schupan's all about innovation and growth, so we needed a partner that was highly dynamic and very responsive to our needs, and BizLibrary offered that to us. The client success team is wonderful. Also, the customer service, it's superb. They do a great job. If you call, you're getting an answer, and if they don't have an answer right then, they're getting back to you immediately. So I really feel listened to. There hasn't been an issue yet that we haven't been able to refer to a BizLibrary content on. There's things that make you laugh, things that make you think, and BizLibrary offers a little bit of something for everybody, but it really makes the employee feel that those goals are achievable and they can do it their way, and I think that's important for them. So we had an employee who wanted a promotion into a managerial role, and he was struggling and he didn't really know how to close the skill gaps to get that job. And we talked about ways to improve that through BizLibrary. He was able to take training, and once he did, because his manager knew what types of training he'd taken or what those issues were, his manager was then able to find learning moments on the floor to relate that content and help him to build those skills. Within 4 months, he was promoted to a leadership position. Our company goal is always to put the right people in the right seats. So we really wanted to look at tenure. How do we keep them there once they're there? The other thing we looked at was pay increases or internal promotions. If we're training people well, then the value of those people would go up. And so we knew that would be a huge indicator. Also, we wanted to look at how often people were using the content being assigned versus going out and seeking it on their own. And so as all of our metrics increased, it was interesting to see that people were actively seeking more content on their own as well. So we could tell by our metrics, our average tenure went up from 20 months to 24.92 months. Our internal promotions have been averaging about 2 per month, and our learning initiative completions has gone up 209%.